Welcome back to EcoPlants, where we take your backyard garden from basic to badass, one plant at a time. Today we are talking about something that sounds science, but it's actually super useful for your fruit and veggie plant. It's Planophix. Ever dealt with flowers dropping, fruit falling too early, or low yield despite your hard work? Yeah, I have been there too, but Planophix changed that, and I am about to show you how. Let's get into it. What is Planophix? Planophix is a plant growth regulator, and no, that doesn't mean it's some weird chemical cocktail. It made of NAA, naphthalene acetic acid, a synthetic version of auxin, which is a natural hormone in plants. In simple terms, it helps plant control flower and fruit behavior, less flower drop, better fruit retention, and higher yield. What does Planophix actually do? First is reduce flower drop, great for plant that bloom a lot but lose flower fast. Second is increase fruit setting, more flower turn into actual fruits, reduce premature fruit fall, especially helpful for mango, guava, lemon, tomato, brinjal, etc. And improve fruit size and shape, perfect for better looking market ready produce. And the best part is you need very little. A tiny dose goes a long way. When should you use Planophix? Timing is key. Use Planophix during these plant growth stage, pre-flowering stage, just before flowers open, and full bloom, early fruit set. Don't use in randomly, use it once per cycle at the right time. How to use Planophix step by step. Material is Planophix bottle, usually come in 1 ml or 10 ml pack, clean water and a spray bottle or a small sprayer, and measuring tool. Mixing instructions for more plant. The safe dose is 1 ml Planophix in 4 ml 4 liter of water. Always read the label. Doses might differ slightly by plant or brand. Mix it well and make sure it fresh. No storing overnight. Application. Spray lightly on leaf and flower bud. Best time is early morning or late evening. No direct hot sun. Avoid spraying before rain or during windy weather. Repeat once per blooming cycle if need. What plants can benefits? Lemons reduce flower and fruit drop. In guava increase fruit set. In tomato boost fruit size and retention. Chili and brinjal reduce flower drop. In pomegranate more flowers convert into fruit. And papaya strong fruit hold. And in bottle gourd and beans better pod set. And many more. It work across fruit, veggie and even flowering plants. Caution zone, use it right. Don't overdose. Too much auxin can stop fruiting. Don't mix with other chemicals or fertilizers unless approved. Don't spray in the middle of the day. Avoid using during windy or rainy days. Natural alternatives. Yes, if you are into all organic gardening, you can also try buttermilk spray, seaweed extract and compost tea. These are strong but are safer for long-term use. And Planophix is a great for targeted serious result, and especially in fruiting season. Your garden just level up, so now you know Planophix isn't some secret science trick. It's a simple plant hormone booster that help your garden hold flower, set more flower and increase yield, especially if you're tired of losing your blooms to thin air. Try it once and you will see the difference. If you learn something today, hit that like, subscribe to EcoPlant for more gardening tips. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening.